Today I have a very beautiful, easy and bright upcycle project for you. I have upcycled an old wooden spatula and painted on it. I have painted a very easy Madhubani Sun painting and it is really bright and you can use this as a kitchen decor. Hi, I'm Shawari from hookedinloops.com. I make various kind of crafts tutorials in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification, and don't forget to like, share and comment. So let's begin without wasting any time. Take a wooden spatula. You can also take cardboard or wooden panel. On top of it, we will add a layer of gesso. I made the gesso at home. However, you can always buy ready-made gesso from online or local market. You will see how to make gesso from my old videos. It's actually a primer. We have added a gesso, and after it dries up, we will do acrylic painting on it. So our gesso has been dried up and I did the outline of my Madhubani art, and now I am painting on it using the acrylic colors. Now the painting is based on your own imagination. We will quickly complete our painting and I will meet you at the end of my project. We will be doing horizontal stripes on the top portion of the wooden spatula. We will paint the edges black. You can skip painting the back side of your work. So we upcycled our old wooden spatula and painted on it with bright colors. It is just ready to be used as a home decor or wall decor or kitchen decor. I hope you like this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.